Here is part number 5 of question number 2, solved by factorization method. X plus 1 over x plus x over 1 x plus 1 is equal to 25 over 12. When you are going to solve two or more fractions with addition or subtraction, we used LCM method. So LCM कैसे लेते हैं? From the denominators, x plus 1 and 12 are the denominators and all will become their LCM. So multiply 12x into x plus 1 on both sides. Both sides mean लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड इक्वलिटी की दिस साइड राइट हैंड साइड. हम इसको हर टर्म के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करवा देंगे. सो एज यू कैन सी हियर 12x into x plus 1 multiplied with first term, then putting addition sign, then second term is x over x plus 1, उसके साथ ही मल्टीप्लाई करवाया एंड द आफ्टर द इक्वलिटी साइन 25 over 12 we had. So 12x into x plus 1 multiplied by 25 over 12. Then next step is we must eliminate the same terms. x and x are the same, so हमने इनको eliminate करवा दिया. Here x plus 1 with x plus 1 and here 12 with 12. What are the remaining terms from first portion? 12 x plus 1 and x plus 1 वो हमने राइट किया. देन एडिशन का साइन इधर, इसमें से हमारे पास रिमेनिंग टर्म्स क्या थी? 12 x and x. These both x are in multiplication, so that's why I make their power square. As you know, when same terms are in multiplication form, their powers will be add. So here is the next x into x plus 1 in and 25. तो उन सबको भी मल्टीप्लिकेशन के फॉर्म में हमने राइट किया. अब इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं. जैसे कि अभी मैंने प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में भी आपको सिखाया कि दो ब्रैकेट्स हम कैसे मल्टीप्लाई करवाते हैं. When you multiply x with these both terms and 1 with these both terms, you will get x square plus 2x plus 1. In next step, 25x with x, you will get 25x square, and 25x with 1, you will get 25x. Now the next step, we will shift all the terms to the left hand side. So here we have 12x square and 12 multiplication with 2x, it makes 24x, and 12 plus 1 makes 12, and here is 12x square as it is. 5x square from the right hand side shifted to the left hand square, it becomes minus 25x square. Here plus 25x from right hand side shifted to the left hand side, it makes minus 25x and is equal to 0. Now we will get same terms, this and this, and solve them. 12 plus 12, 24x square, and minus 25x square gives us minus 1x square. So here are the x terms 24, and the next coefficient terms are 24x and minus 25x. We will subtract them. Why? Because plus minus makes minus, and from 25 we will subtract 24, we will get minus 1, and the remaining constant term is only 12. Now we will take minus 1 from all the terms. It will change the all signs, minus into plus and plus into minus. Square plus x minus 12 is equal to 0. It's are the standard form of quadratic equation. Now we are going to factorize it. Here we have constant term, so we will factorize it like we have done in part number 1. So let's write here x square term same as it is, last minus 12 same, and plus x and put a bracket here. And now multiply the coefficient of x square with last constant term, so it will gives us 12. So now 12 is the number to factorize, so divided by 2 it gives us 6, so 2 6 are 12 is a factor. So divided it by 3 gives us 4, 3 4s are 12 is another factor, and after 3 we have 4, so 4 multiplied by 3 is also a factor. Then 5 पे डिवाइड नहीं होता. 6 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2, दिस इज़ ऑल्सो अ फैक्टर. सो अब हमने 1 बाई 1 इनमें से एक एक पेयर उठाएंगे और उनको ऐड और माइनस करके देखेंगे कि हमारे पास x का कोफिशिएंट जो है यहाँ पे हमारे पास 1 वो पूरा आता है आंसर में या नहीं आता. सो 6 प्लस 2 गिव्स अस 8, 6 माइनस 2 गिव्स अस 4. इसका मतलब है ये पेयर हमें नहीं चाहिए. देन नेक्स्ट इज़ 4 प्लस 3 इज़ इक्वल टू 7, and 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So
here we get our required number. The coefficient of x square is 1, so 4 minus 3 gives us 1, so we write here 4 minus 3. अब हम इसको सिंप्लीफाई करवा लेते हैं. एक्स स्क्र प्लस 4x माइनस 3x, एक्स को दोनों के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करवा दिया एंड देन माइनस 12. अब इनको कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे हम पेयर्स में. टेक कॉमन फ्रॉम बोथ टर्म्स, x as common from both terms, so remaining are x plus 4 and from here minus 3. 3 से 3 भी डिवाइड होता है और 12 भी डिवाइड होता है, so minus 3 x plus 4 are the remaining terms. Then x plus 4, x minus 3 equal to 0, put them separately equal to 0, so you will get your required answer. X is equal to minus 4 and x is equal to plus 3, so solution set is minus 4 and 3.